We are able to turn reminders into subtasks of a parent reminder by indenting them. I've added several reminders that are related to the clean garage reminder above. Currently, these are all independent reminders. There are a couple of ways to turn these into subtasks. First, let's click and drag the sweep floor reminder on top of the clean garage reminder. Release, and it indents the sweep floor reminder, making it a subtask. Next, let's right-click on the declutter reminder and choose indent reminder. That also makes it a subtask of the clean garage parent reminder, which is displayed in bold now. Next, I'll select two more of these reminders and use the keyboard shortcut Command right bracket to indent them both. Now we have 4 subtasks. Use the turn down triangle here to hide or show the subtasks for the clean garage reminder. When editing or adding a subtask, hit return to add another subtask below it. If I add a due date for this reminder, it will then appear in the scheduled smart list. The number of subtasks related to this reminder is displayed in blue. Click, and we jump into the list that contains the parent reminder and all its subtasks. We can mark the indented reminders as completed individually. Completing the main reminder will mark all those in its hierarchy as completed as well. Right-click on a subtask and choose Outdent to make it an independent reminder again. We can also use the shortcut Command left bracket to outdent reminders. Using subtasks in the Reminders app helps organize related tasks under one parent reminder, making complex to-do lists easier to manage and track.